Hello everybody and welcome. We're leaving on a shopping trip today in the new Model Y. Got to go do some stores up into the Hendersonville area. As you can see, the interstate is dorked up, but from looking at Google, it looks like it's on the opposite lane we're going to be on. So hopefully that's the case. We will head up into Hendersonville. We're going to do some shopping. We're going to meet Richard and his lovely wife Annie for lunch and do a few more errands while we're up there. We're leaving with 46% or 151 miles. So I think we're good to go. Let's hit it. I guess we found the rain. It's supposed to rain on and off today, all day I think. We made it to the Sam's Club here up in Hendersonville. Heading in, buy a few goodies. We are filling it up. Yeah. Yeah, we're getting to the 90% full mark here. As you can see, getting full. That's right, we've learned that the Model Y will hold almost 3 of these, so that's not a problem. We are getting near capacity here. That's what I'm talking about. There you go. 2 baskets full. All right, let's fill this baby up. Got the well kind of filled up. Probably stick a few more things in there, but we'll just leave that there for now. Put some of the heavy stuff here in the back. And the Model Y gobbles up yet a couple of the baskets or buggies, as they say around here. Put some more stuff in here. Now look, there's room for Hank and Luna yet. All right. We're done now at Sam's. We're heading over to lunch with Richard and Annie. We had a great lunch with Richard and Annie. Good Mexican food at El Paso here in Hendersonville. Heading now up to drop a radio off with Vlad. He's north of us here, about 10 miles up the interstate. We're now westbound on Interstate 26, headed north up into the Asheville area. Gonna meet Vlad and drop off this radio and then head home. Of course, it's construction coming up here and lots of rain still. Not a very good day. There's a nice Model X. Looks like North Carolina plates. The weather continues to be really nasty. We made a pit stop here and now we're cutting the corner between I-26 and 40. About ready to get on Interstate 40 here by a place called the Moose Cafe. It's quite the local hangout here.
In 1,000 feet, turn right to take the Interstate 40 east ramp toward Black Mountain.
It is good duck weather for sure. Now eastbound on Interstate 40. We're back on Interstate 26 eastbound here. It's heading south. Getting out of the construction soon, I think. Heading to the house. Just coming down the grade here now. There was a wreck earlier. It's cleared up, so it's a good thing. Slew to grade. We're here at the local grocery store. My wife's getting some lettuce and something else. I don't know. Anyway, I'm just hanging out in the parking lot. Get the go ahead, and then we'll be heading home. We took off today at 40-some%. Of course, I'm now at 9%, which in miles, of course, is 30 miles of range. Plenty. But anyway, going to be getting home here by probably 6 or 7%. Shouldn't be any issues. Been a good day. It's been rainy and nasty the whole time. I charged the new Model Y here with this J1772 charger and the adapter that comes along with the Tesla. Reason I do it is if you look at it, all the wall connectors are up front, and I parked this one here, so I can charge this. It's set for 40 amps, and it's generally no trouble. Remember what you should do, however, you shouldn't leave it on here. You should take it off. So let me take that off. Proper way to install the adapter per the manual. Open this, plug it in, plug the J772 in there. That is the proper way to use a J1772 adapter here. Yes, sirree, Bob, I did make it home. 7% left, and that to you miles guys is 23 miles. I don't recall exact what I left, but I think it was 47-ish maybe percent. So it's pretty good. We went all over hell and gone today. If I look at the trip meter, drove 99 miles today. So it's pretty good. Got home, no problem. Even at 7% is no problem to drive home. If you like today's video, go ahead and click the like, and please subscribe. I'd certainly appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you in the next videos, and take care.